Hello everyone, I am Harish. I am studying 9th grade in Sri Narayana Mission Senior Secondary School, Chennai. I am learning robotics at Ashtrix School of Robotics, Arumbakkam. Today, I am here to talk about my project AgroSentinel, which falls under the category of Chak De India Innovators. AgroSentinel is an Arduino-based agricultural monitoring system that uses its sensors to efficiently and effectively figure out plant stresses such as biotic stresses and abiotic stresses. Biotic stresses include pests, which can be detected and deterred by using an ultrasonic buzzer module. Abiotic stresses such as high temperature, low humidity, and low soil moisture can be conveyed to the farmer. This is the circuit diagram for this project. It uses an Arduino Uno DHT11 digital temperature and humidity sensor, an LDR sensor, a sound sensor, a passive buzzer, an SSD 1306 128x64 OLED screen, and an Arduino Uno. The future for this project will be an IoT based integration using ESP32 and also using the ESP32 cam in order to figure out what plant has that disease, and it can also inform the farmer using IoT. In the future, instead of the Govertz algorithm which is currently used in this, I am planning to use fast Fourier transform FFT, which is a more efficient version of classifying frequencies of a sound instead of using Govertz algorithm, which may or may not be perfect. So in this, we can see that the light is now green, which means that there is no plant stresses. Now, if we decrease the light output, it turns red, which means that there is low amount of light compared to the previous output as of now. It also shows the temperature, humidity, the light level as well as the pest detected, which is none since there are no pests now. If there is low humidity, then the RGB LED will be blue. Thank you.